How do you flirt effectively? Have you ever wondered how to flirt in a way that feels natural and fun? Flirting is an important part of building connections, especially during your teenage years. It helps you express interest and create a bond with someone you like. So, let's break down how to flirt effectively while keeping it respectful and enjoyable. First, let's talk about body language. Friendly and open body language is key. Smile warmly and make comfortable contact. This shows that you are approachable and interested. Keep your posture relaxed to invite conversation. These nonverbal cues can say a lot without you needing to say a word. Next, consider using light conversation starters. Compliments can go a long way. Try to be genuine and specific. For example, if you notice a new hairstyle or a unique outfit, mention it. This makes the other person feel appreciated and noticed. Asking questions about something personal, like the story behind a favorite accessory, encourages them to share more about themselves. Humor is another great tool for flirting. Sharing a funny comment or playfully reacting to something they say can create a relaxed atmosphere. Whether you are chatting in person or interacting on social media, humor can help break the ice and make things more enjoyable. As you become more comfortable, subtle teasing can add a playful vibe. Just remember that teasing should always be kind and never hurtful. This type of interaction can help build closeness and show confidence in a fun way. In today's world, flirting online is very common among teens. Simple actions like sending a friend request, liking their posts, or sharing interesting content can signal your attraction. If you feel more confident, you might even send flirtatious messages. However, it is essential to respect boundaries and ensure that both of you feel comfortable with the interaction. Your appearance can also play a role in how you flirt. Dress in a way that makes you feel confident and authentic. When you feel good about yourself, flirting becomes easier and more genuine. Lastly, remember that effective flirting is not about pressure or pretending to be someone you are not. It is about showing genuine interest, being respectful, and having fun getting to know someone. Always pay attention to how the other person responds. If they seem uncomfortable or uninterested, it is important to respect that and give them space. So, to flirt effectively, focus on friendly body language, genuine compliments, light conversation, humor, and respectful engagement both in person and online. Be confident and authentic, and always respect the other person's boundaries. These steps can help you build healthy connections that may lead to meaningful relationships.